Hello, I saw your question about this problem here. Does the veteran have the right to be skeptic? Well, the p-value is 0.172 and the level of significance is 0.05. So since p-value is greater than alpha, that means we're not going to reject the hypothesis, null hypothesis. And so you did have this part correct. The veteran does not have a right to be skeptic. Okay, there's not sufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportion of owners who talk to their pets on the telephone is 48, and down here it says is less than 38% instead of equals 38. I can't show it on screen, but if you scroll back up, your alternative hypothesis was less than, and so since it wasn't equal to the alternative, it was less than, and so that's why it's you need to choose the one that's less than as opposed to one that's equal. So scroll back up and look at your alternative hypothesis. Hope this helps.